Good morning, folks. Welcome to QuantSap. This is Vicky Sajnani. Let's get started with the morning market brief. 18,694 is where we shut shop for Nifty 50 futures. 43,275 we shut shop for Nifty Bank futures. Roughly flat for Nifty Bank and 0.26% gains for Nifty 50. Let's see where the SGX Nifty is pointing to. 25 points cut. But then it looks like time and again we are having this nuance that markets open at a lower end and then tend to have this buying interest coming in. So we'll see if the follow-up buying comes in or not today. Looking at the charts, well, 18,800 and 19,000 are the stiff resistance on the higher side. 18,500, 18,300, 18,000 are the supports. Looking at the RSI structure, it seems like if there is a further move, that move could be on the stronger side if there is a bullish forward. The negative divergence kind of failed this time around, and failure of negative divergences tends to be a strongly bullish sign in general. Well, looking at the perspective from the open interest futures, we are seeing long built up yesterday, and let's see how that pans out during the day if we have follow-up buying even in the European markets. Looking at the OI picture, again, 18,800 thereabouts, 19,000. Those are the two stiff points. On the lower side, you have 18,500 and thereabouts of 18,400 also. There is a put OI which is substantial. So that's what we're getting as a picture from the open interest front. Looking at Bank Nifty charts, 43,500, 44,000, two resistance points. And 43,000 and 42,500 are the supports. Well, you have the 50-day moving average at close to 40,800. Well, there was some amount of short which came in yesterday, but that was a marginal one. So let's see how the system evolves, especially with Nifty tending to be strong. There is a possibility of a rub-off on Bank Nifty also. But we will have to wait and watch how that pans out. Well, the resistance point, major support zone is 43,000, 42,500, and you have 43,500 and 44,000 are the major resistance points. Intermittently, there is some congestion close to 43,200. Looking at the top gainers and losers, Apollo Tyres, Hind Petro, Delta Corp. Top losers, Honeywell Automation, Jindal Steel, Hindalco. Well, looking at the index contributions, looks like it's oil all over the place. Oil 74.72 points positive, while many of the other sectors were in negative territory. FMCG was 6.5% positive points. So IT was in negative laggard, minus 13.20 points. Metal was minus 9 points. Looking at the build-ups, auto ancillary, NBFC fertilizer on the long side. You have metals, telecom, infra on the short side. Well, one stock which could be considered as a positive momentum is Axis Bank, but there is a stiff resistance close to 905, 908 levels, and the next major level comes out to be 920 thereabouts. Supports being 885, of course 900 is a psychological level, 885 and 857 thereabouts. Structure looks positive. Well, not much emanating from the open interest built up scenario. There was some amount of short covering which happened, and there is a series of short coverings which has taken the stock up in the futures market. Well, looking at the OI picture, you have max call OI close to 900 levels. And then 950 is a major resistance point for this counter. Major support zone 820, 850. That's the range which we are spotting. The other stock is Tata Consumer. Bullish engulfing candle there, kind of positioned that way. Well, it's positively poised in some sense. 820 above. So you have a resistance at around 820, 825. 860 is the next major level after that. As far as supports are concerned, 780, 760 are the two major levels on the lower side. So we are seeing a longs coming in into Tata Consumer. As far as the OI picture is concerned, well, 800 is the litmus test on the lower side. You have call OI, which is built up at 850, 820 levels as such. Put OI is majorly built up close to 760 levels. Well, on the ban list, BHEL, Delta Corp, India Bull Housing Finance. Before we wrap up, I would like to highlight to you, please follow or consult your financial advisor before stepping into derivative trading. And also, please follow strict stop losses as per your risk appetite before considering trades in derivatives. Well, sectoral long built up, auto ancillary, NBFC fertilizer. Short built up, metal, infra, telecom. We discussed about the two stocks, Axis Bank and Tata Consumer. Ban list is BHEL, Delta Corp and India Bull Housing Finance. And Nifty and Bank Nifty trading ranges were discussed already. So that's it from my side. Wish you happy trading and all the best.